Hey friends, let's do In and Out of Love guitar lesson by Bon Jovi. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along, and we'll do the main solo at the end. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So this we're calling riff 1 in our intro, and he uses this in our chorus as well. So we're playing 2 on the D and the G, palm mute the open A, 5 on the D and the G, palm mute the open A, 2 on the D and the G, and then just play B1, G2, D3, and then move that up 2 frets, B3, G4, D5. Do that first part again, 2 and 2, mute, 5 and 5, mute, 2 and 2, and then we just play 1B, 2G, this time go back to 1B, and then finish the same, 3B, 4G, 5D. So. And that's our intro there. Then we have our verse, we play that for you. So we're just doing 2 palm mutes on the open A, and then an A power chord, and then we're just doing 8 palm mutes again on the open A and 8th notes, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and come up to 7 on the D, G and B, palm mute the open A again, and then go 9 on the D, 7 on the G, 8 on the B, and slide. And then we're playing 4 on the D, open G, palm mute the open A, and then an A chord again. So. And just do that 2 times, and that's our verse there. Then we have our pre-chorus, play that. So we're just starting with this D over G, so play the 3rd fret on the E string, and then play 3 on the E string, mute the A, play open D, 2nd fret on the G, 3rd on the B, so do that again, and just do it down, up, down, then we're palm muting the 5th fret on the A, and then just play a D power chord, then we're going to play 7 on the G, 8 on the B, palm mute the 7, do it again, palm mute 7 and 8, and then 7 and 7, so. Then go back to the D over G, but this time we do 2 palm mutes on the E, play the open D, 2nd fret G, 3rd fret B, do that again, and again, and again. So 4 times, the last one we do 2 palm mutes, and then play the open D, 2nd fret on the G, 3rd fret on the B, and pull off to the open on the G string. So. Come up to the D power chord, palm mute once, and then do 2 times, another 2, 1, 1, and then play C, D, and then just a 3rd fret on the A, D, and that's our pre-chorus there. From there we have the chorus. Let me do that for you. So we're just doing the intro riff there, all exactly the same. Then go back to the first one and do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then just hit the open E string there. We're going going to play the 5th fret harmonic on the B and the E, then jump up to 12th fret harmonic B and E and come down with your bar, and that's our chorus there. From there we go back to the intro, and that's the same, back to our verse, which is the same. Then we have the next pre-chorus. Now this is similar, there's just a couple of little changes in there. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say your name in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that'd be fantastic. So let's get back into it. So the only difference with our next pre-chorus is our first D over G, we don't hold that E string, we do. The rest stays the same until we go back to our D over G again, and we do the pull off twice. So there's just one palm mute in between, and that's the only difference to the second pre-chorus there. Then our next chorus, we just do that intro riff again, but we do it 3 times now. So do that 3 times, then do the first one more time, and then finish it the same as the last chorus, the open E and then the harmonics with the bar in. Then we have the bridge, let me do that for you. So we're just starting again, 2 on the D and the G, palm mute the A, 5 on the D and the G, palm mute the A, 2 on the D and the G. Then we play the 2 again on the D and the G, palm mute the A, 5 on D and G, palm mute the A, 7 on D and G there. So then just play G, D. And then we repeat that again, so we just play that through 2 times. And the third time we just play the A power chord, come in with your bar, and hold that for a bar, and then repeat that riff again another 2 times. 2 times there. And then just go to the B, and we're just doing a 2 bar, 8th notes there, build up, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, stop on the 4 there. And that's our bridge. Then we have our solo, and we'll do that at the end. Let's do the solo rhythm first. So we're just playing G 2 times, 3rd fret E, open E, and then go to an A power chord and do that 2 times. Then play the A power chord 2 times, 3rd fret E, open E, back to the A. And repeat that all again, the G, the A. Now this time we're going to do it 2 times there to finish that part off, and then another 7 times. Then 7 more times. And then to finish we're just going to play the open A palm mute C, open A palm mute D, 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 and then an E power chord to finish there. And that's our solo rhythm. And then we have this next little fill before the chorus. So we have this time palm muting on the open A 2 times, and then play 7 D, 5 on the G, palm mute the open A again, and then just move up 2 frets, 9 and 7, palm mute 2 times on the open A, and this time play 4 D, open G, 3 on the B, palm mute the open A, and then just go back to 2 and 2 on the D and the G. Then we just repeat that again, the open A, 7, 5, open A, 9, 7, 2 palm mutes on the open A, play 7 D and G, come in with your bar, and 5 D and G. And we just do that little riff 2 times, and then we just go back to the chorus, and we just keep repeating that to the end there, our intro riff there. Then we have our solo. Let me play that for you. So we're starting on 7 on the G, 8 on the B, play it once, and then another 4 more times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just 7 on the G and the B. Do that 2 times. Do 2 palm mutes on the open D, and then play E, 10, 9, B, 10, 12, E, 9, B, 10, G, 9. See? Then do our 8, 7 the same again, 2 times. Now we're going to play 5, hammer onto 7 on the A, same on the D, G, back to D, back to A, back to D, and then 7 Gs. And then play the open A, come in with your bar there. Then we're just doing these octave chords, come up to 14 G, 17 on the B, and we're tremolo picking there. So do it again with a slide up, and then we're playing 12 and 15, 11 and 14, all tremolo picked, 9 and 12, come back to 12 and 15, 11 and 14, 9 and 12, 7 and 10, 6 and 9, and slide up to 14 on the G string there. Then we have a bend on the 20th fret on the B string. Now we're going to repeat this 17 on the E, B, 20, 17, G, 19, back to B, 17, 20, and repeat that again, 17, 20, 17, 19, 17, 20, 17. Then the last one, just play B string 20, 17, do a bend on 20 on the E, and then just play 20. We're going to do a pick slide and a slide, and to finish it off we just bend on the 12th fret on the E, 13 B, 12 on the G, then do the same but 14, 15, 14, and then the same again, 16, 17, 16, and then just let your bar come in there. And that's the solo there, and they're all the guitar parts. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed In and Out of Love Guitar Lesson by Bon Jovi. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.